Students, now we are going to solve a question of sampling. Draw all possible samples of size 2 with replacement from the population 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Calculate sample means and make sampling distribution. Also verify your results. This is the complete question. Now, first of all, we have to check what are the three basic things which are given in our question. First of all, the population 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is your population. The next thing is the sample size, that is 2, and the third and the last thing is the procedure, that is with replacement. I have mentioned the 3 points. Population size means the element in the population. There are 5 elements, so population size is 5. Small n is the sample size, that is 2, and procedure is with replacement. Now, whenever you are going to solve your sampling question, keep this in mind that first of all we will solve the and calculate the population mean and population variance. This is not mentioned in the question, but you need these results later in your verification stage. For that reason, first of all, we find the mean and the variance of the population. Population is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So we have found the mean of 3, 5, 7, 9 in सबको plus किया and divided by the total number, that is 5. The sum is 35 and divided by 5. Your answer is 7. This is the population mean, and remember that population mean is denoted by mu, not x bar. This is denoted by mu. Now, you have to find the population variance. Population variance is found by this formula: sum x square over n minus sum x over n whole square. Now we need two quantities, x and x square. Sum x is equal to 35 and x square means you have to take the square of x values: 3 square 9, 5, 25, 7, 49, 9, 81 and 11, 121. Then you sum this column, you get your sum x square, that is equal to 285. Now I have substituted these values in the formula of the variance, that is 285 by 5 minus 35 over 5 whole square. Your answer turns out to be 8. Now you also have to find the standard deviation. Just take under root of 8. You will get your standard deviation. Now, step 2 is to draw the samples from the population. As we had discussed in previous lectures, that before drawing the sample, we have to find the total possible number of the sample, that is capital N raised to power small n. So 5 is the capital N, 2 is the small n. 5 square is equal to 25. You will have 25 samples. Now, I have given the serial number from 1 to 25, and then I have started making the sample. As the population was 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, what I have to do to make samples with replacement, I have to select the first unit and assign this to all. 3 can come with 3, then 3 with 5, then 3 with 7, 3 with 9 and 3 and with 11. Again, after 3, we will take 5, 5 with 3, 5 with 5, 5 with 7, 9, 11. In the same way, 7 with 3, 7 with 5, 7 with 9, and 7 with 11. And we will take all the numbers and assign them, and you will have your 25 samples. Now, in this case, in this question, we also need the sample means. Sample means are denoted by x bar. How to find the sample mean? Just add these two number and divide the answer by 2. इन दोनों को हमने plus किया. Your answer turned out to be 6. 6 divided by 2. Your first sample mean is 3. Then 3 plus 5, 8. 8 divided by 2. Your second answer is 4. In the same way, 10 by 2. Your answer is 5. In the same way, we will calculate the means for all the samples. These are called sample means. Now, you have to make the sampling distribution of the mean. Sampling distribution is actually the probability distribution of the mean. Probability distribution means it is a kind of distribution in which you have values assigned along with the corresponding probability of their appearance. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to write all possible values of your sample mean which you have found in the previous step. Our sample mean was from 3 to 11. So I'm writing each value just once. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. हर वैल्यू को बस एक बार ही लिखना है, from starting from the lowest till the highest. Each and every value of the sample mean is written in ascending order. Then you have to find the frequency. Frequency is found by tally, as we had done before in chapter number 2. Simply tally करनी है. टैली कैसे करेंगे, जहाँ से देखेंगे और एक एक लाइन एक एक मार्क हम लगाते जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ वी विल टेक द फर्स्ट वैल्यू, दैट इज 3, 3, 4, 5. Each entry, for each entry just put a line. 3, then 3, 4, 5, then 6 and 7 in the same way. 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now count the values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a symmetrical kind of distribution, but it's not necessary कि हमेशा यही pattern relate हो. It can be asymmetrical. Now what you have to do, just you have found the frequencies by counting the tallies. Now you have to find the probability of each sample mean. P of x bar means probability of this mean. Probability is actually chance. Each sample has each sample mean appears equal to the number of frequency. It means 3 appeared one time, 4 appeared two times, 5 appeared three times, 6 appeared four times. These are the chances of appearance. And what are the total chances? Total chances are 25, because there are 25 samples. So to find the probability, what you have to do, you have to divide individual frequency by the total frequency. How? 1 over 25. Chance of appearance of 3 is 1 over 25. Then 2 over 25, then 3 over 25. Just हमने frequency को total frequency पे divide कर दिया. Now this is your probability. After that, after finding that probability, you get your assigned distribution, your required sampling distribution. But you also need to verify your results. So for verification, you have to make two more columns. One is x bar into p of x bar. What you have to do, you have to multiply this column with x bar. As we know that in case of fractions, the numerator is multiplied, denominator remains the same. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. First answer is 3 over 25. Then 4 twos are 8. 8 over 25. Then 5 multiplied by 3, 15 over 25. Then 6, 4, 24. 7, 5, 35. Then 8 into 4. This is 32. 9 threes are 27. 10 twos are 20. And 11 ones are 11. Now what you have to do, you have to make the column of x bar into p of x bar and add this column. you will have 175 over 25. In the same way, you have to make another column of x square into p of x, but first of all we will make x square column. 3 square 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100 and 121. Now we will multiply x bar square with this column p of x bar square into p of x bar. हमने x बार का स्केयर किया, अब x बार के स्केयर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे p of x बार के. 1 multiplied by 9 is 9, then 16 twos are 32 and 25 will remain the same. 3 into 25, 75, then 4 into 36, 144, then 49 into 5. I'm multiplying every value of x bar with your x bar square with p of x. 245 by 25. Now 64 plus 4, 256 by 25. 81 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 162 over 25. 100 twos are 200 over 25 and 121 ones are 125 over 25. Now we have to add this column also. Then 9 plus 32 plus 75 plus 144 plus 245 plus 256 plus 162 plus 200. Sorry, there is a mistake. I had to multiply 81 by 3. 8 3. There is a mistake over here. 81 multiplied 243. Sorry, I had to multiply with the corresponding. This is 3. So I'm correcting it over here, 240. Your answer was 243 by 25. This was mistakenly written. Okay, now I'm adding again 9 plus 32 plus 75 plus 144 plus 245 plus 256 plus 243 plus 200 plus 121. Your answer is 1325 divided by 25. Now the step of your sampling distribution is complete. We had done 2 extra steps. We have found x bar into p of x bar and then x bar square into p of x bar. This was done to for verification, as it was mentioned in the question that you also need verification. There are 2 verification means that this will enable you to check your question and make you sure that you have done a correct calculations. So for verification 1 for sampling with replacement is mu of x bar is equal to mu. Now mu is the population mean and mu of x bar is the mean of this table. This is of sampling distribution. जो हम इस टेबल से मीन निकालेंगे that will be equal to mu of x bar, and mu was the population mean which we had found in our previous step. So mu of x bar का formula होता है mu of x bar is equal to sum x bar into p of x bar. We had already made this column. that is equal to 175 by 25, and 175 divided by 25 turns out to be equal to 7. Now this is your statement D. As we had done previously, that our sample population mean, as you can see in A, is also equal to 7. So verification done. It is verified from A and D. Mu of x is equal to mu of x bar is equal to mu. Both means are equal and equal to 7. We had found this mu from the population and this is from this table, and you can see that these two means are exactly equal. There can be some slight difference which can appear due to rounding of error, but in this case we had nothing to round off, so these two means turned out to be exactly equal. Now verification 2. Verification 2 is of variances. For sampling without replacement, sigma square is equal of x bar is equal to sigma square over n. सिग्मा स्केयर ओवर एन के इक्वल होता है सिग्मा स्केयर ऑफ एक्स बार. नाउ व्हाट इज सिग्मा स्केयर ऑफ एक्स बार? दिस इज वेरियंस from the table, from the sampling distribution, and sigma square is the variance of population which we had found in previous step, where n stands for the sample size. हमने क्या करना है? सिग्मा स्केयर ऑफ एक्स बार फाइंड करना है फ्रॉम दिस टेबल. सिग्मा स्केयर ऑफ एक्स बार का फॉर्मूला होगा, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू सम एक्स बार स्केयर इंटू पी ऑफ एक्स बार माइनस सम एक्स बार इंटू p of x bar whole square. What you have to do, you have to find these two things, sum x bar square into p of x bar minus x bar into p of x bar whole square. Now x bar square into p of x bar, this was found in the previous table over here. इसका हमने sum भी निकाल लिया था. You need this sum 1325 divided by 25. So I am writing it over here, 1325 divided by 25 minus sum x bar into p of x bar. ये हमने पहले ही फाइंड कर दिया है. इसका आंसर 7 है. I am writing it over here, 7 square. 1325 divided by 25. Your answer over here will be equal to 53 minus 7 square is 49. 53 minus 49, your answer is 4. So sigma square of x bar equal to 4. This is statement E. Now we have to prove sigma square of x bar equal to sigma square over n. सिग्मा स्केयर ऑफ एक्स बार हमने यहाँ पे फाउंड किया फ्रॉम दिस फार्मूला. वी हैव फाउंड सिग्मा ऑफ एक्स स्केयर इज इक्वल टू एक्स बार स्केयर इज इक्वल टू 4. नाउ सिग्मा स्केयर वाज फाउंड इन आवर प्रीवियस स्टेप which is equal to 8. You can see in equation B. सिग्मा स्केयर हमने पहले ही फाइंड आउट कर लिया था फ्रॉम इक्वेशन बी. इट वाज इक्वल टू 8 and n is the sample size. Sample size was 2. 4 is equal to 4. Proved. So you have proved, you have verified and completed your verification too. That's all for this question.